Hi, it's Luang from Gute. I haven't been 3D printed for more than 10 years now, but believe it or not, I have never tried to print in vase mode. I don't know why, maybe I couldn't find any motivation to do this. But anyway, I finally print this vase. As you can see here, I find the models on Thingiverse. You can get it from there, and I just quickly share with you the most important thing you need to pay attention when you print in vase mode. To do this, you have just two important things. First, you need to trigger the spiral vase mode. Like you go to layers, there's a one mode that you can tick here right in the box. Select spiral vase, which gonna trigger the vase mode. And the next thing in that, you need to set in number of the layers on the bottom that you want. The default is 4 layers, which is in 0.2, it's like 0.8 millimeter, but you can add more. You want to be more stronger on the bottom. The second thing you need to pay attention to is the extrusion width here, because that's going to decide the strength of your piece. If you set the default, you can see here, you go to advanced and the default extrusion width is 0.45, which is exactly the thickness of the profile around here, because very much they go just spiral go up like this. So if you can make that thicker, it means that you have more material here and you make your piece stronger. For the 0.4 millimeter nozzle, you can add it up to 0.8 millimeter of the extrusion, which is exactly what I did to increase the thickness, because otherwise very easy just to snap this thing out. And I can show you the thickness of it after the print here. So that's the two important you need to pay attention when you print the vase mode. There's the only other thing I think is not that important. For just a normal vase that you found on here, but you can just print with those settings. And I hope it helps you to save some time. I need to look around, but you don't have to do it. You just tune those settings and you can have a beautiful vase like the one I have here. So yeah, that's what I want to share with you today. Happy making.